In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to add Zoom to a Blackboard Original course and a Blackboard Ultra course. In the Blackboard Original environment, in your menu bar, navigate up to the Add menu item. Then navigate down to where you see Tool Link. We'll select Tool Link, and we'll type in the name of our tool, which is going to be Zoom. Next, we'll choose the type, which is going to be Zoom Meeting at the bottom of your list. And we're going to go ahead and also make this tool available to users. This has to be available to your students. Then we'll select Submit. Now notice that the Zoom tool link has been set up in your Blackboard course. To access Zoom for you or your students, now you can select the Zoom link. This will bring you to where you can actually set up and enter and leave meetings. Blackboard Ultra works a little bit different than Blackboard Original. On the left-hand side, you can see Actions and Details. This is a static list that we cannot modify. What we need to do is figure out how to add a link to Zoom. To do this, I recommend either going in the Course Introduction or between Course Introduction and Week 1. Either one of these should work for you. What you'll do is you'll select in the area that you'd like to place Zoom. I'm going to go ahead and choose to put it between the Course Introduction and in Week 1. Right between both of these, because this is an area that I'm going to want students to return to frequently. Next, we'll go ahead and select the content market. When the content market loads, we'll search for the tool that is Zoom. It's very important that we select on the plus button for Zoom. So I'll go to the lower right-hand corner and select the plus. Now you'll notice that Zoom has been added. Very similar to the Blackboard Original experience, we'll have to make this viewable to our students. So I'll select in the drop-down and make this visible to students. Now that it's visible to students, we'll select Zoom, and you'll see that we are brought to the same room where we can schedule and manage our recordings. I hope that you found this tutorial useful. For more information about Zoom or other products, please visit us at the Faculty Center for the Advancement of Teaching and Learning.